I want to start by talking about organic traffic. So what is organic traffic? Organic traffic is all the traffic that you get from the internet to your website or your YouTube channel that you don't pay for directly. So if you are getting traffic by pay-per-click advertising, or you are getting traffic by advertising on other websites, maybe through banner ads or other forms of advertisements, that is not organic traffic. But when you create some content, when you create a video or you write a blog article that gets you visitors, that is organic traffic. So in simple words, all the traffic that comes to your website looking for the content that you've created from different sources, maybe the search engine or through bookmarking or through social media, that is organic traffic. And the traffic you get by paying for it directly, it's not organic traffic. And now it's time to find out why I think organic traffic is so cool, or why I think it is much better than paid traffic. The first advantage is you build it once and you enjoy it forever. So if you've made some content, if you've created some videos on YouTube, or you've put in some articles on your blog, that content is going to be there for a long time, and as long as it's out there, people might find it through search or through bookmarking or by sharing it on social media, and you will continue to get traffic even when you're not paying for it. But when you go through the PPC route or you go through the advertising route, you will get traffic only till the time you pay. So maybe the day you stop paying or the week you stop paying, you stop getting traffic, and the leads that you're getting, they go down very fast. The second reason is organic traffic is actually cheaper in the long run. Yeah, I agree that the initial costs are a bit high because you've got to create content, and that content will need to be taken to a lot of people. It will need to rank well on the search engine and on YouTube. But if you're successful in creating good quality content that is liked by people, that is shared, and that is ranked well on search engines and on YouTube, you will actually save a lot of money, because PPC advertising, trust me, it's expensive, and creating content which is good quality is probably cheaper than shoveling out dollars to advertising companies that will charge you maybe 50 cents or $1 per click, depending on the niche that you're in. Then I'm going to tell you that organic traffic is wonderful because it's the only kind of traffic in which your initial investment can grow over time. So imagine writing an article which goes viral, or creating a video which is really valuable, which goes viral, which is maybe liked by a lot of people. And over time, you will find that you actually get more visitors, more leads than you got earlier. Now, this can happen very often. Say you create a video today and it is somehow suddenly relevant the next month, or maybe the next month the ratings go really high or the rankings go up. Suddenly you will start to get more visitors than earlier. That can happen only in organic traffic. And I want to tell you that YouTube is a great source of organic traffic. Yes, YouTube gets more organic traffic than any other website because it's found on Google and Bing, the search engines, and it's also shared on social media websites like Facebook and Twitter. So more people come to YouTube looking for content they want than they go to any other website. So YouTube can be a great source of traffic for you. It can bring you a steady flow of organic traffic to your YouTube channel and then onto your website or your offer.